Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Jano TV. In Norse mythology, who is the one-eyed god who rules Asgard? Answer: Odin. What mythical creature in Greek mythology guards the underworld and is often depicted as a three-headed dog? Answer: Cerberus. In Egyptian mythology, the river Nile was believed to be the god of what? Answer: the Nile Happy. What is the name of the psychological theory that focuses on the unconscious mind and its influence on behavior? Answer: Psychoanalysis by Sigmund Freud. What is the difference between sociology and anthropology? Answer: Sociology studies human societies and social structures, while anthropology focuses on the study of cultures and societies across time and space. What is a term for a social science experiment where researchers manipulate one variable to observe its effect on other? Answer: control experiment. What are the main greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming? Answer: carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide. What is the name of the international treaty signed by many countries to combat climate change? Answer: Paris Agreement. What are some renewable energy sources that can help reduce dependence on fossil fuels? Answer: solar, wind, hydro, geothermal. Who was the impostor called Perkin Verbeek who claimed to be a lost English prince? Answer: open-ended discussion about a historical figure who claimed to fame was a lie. What is the story behind the discovery of King Tut's tomb? Answer: open-ended discussion about a significant archaeological discovery. There are three boxes. One contains only red balls, one contains only blue balls, and the third contains a mix of both. You are blindfolded and allowed to choose one ball from one box. After seeing the color, you are allowed to put the ball back in any box, including the original one, and then choose another box without looking. Can you guarantee you will pick a different colored ball the second time? Answer: yes. After seeing the first ball, put it in a different box. Does not matter which color. Since you know that box now has at least one ball of a certain color, the remaining box must contain the other color. A farmer needs to transport a fox, a goose, and a bag of grain across a river. He can only take one item with him on the boat at a time, and he cannot leave the fox along with the goose or the goose along with the grain. How can he get everything across the river safely? Answer: this requires strategic planning. Here's one solution. Farmer takes the goose across the river, leaving the fox and grain behind. Farmer returns along no items. Farmer takes the fox across the river, leaving the goose behind. Farmer takes the goose back across the river to be with the fox. Farmer takes the grain across the river, leaving the fox behind. Farmer returns along no items. What does the abbreviation UNESCO stand for? Answer: United Nations Educational, Scientific and Culture Organization. What does GPS stand for and how is it used? Answer: Global Positioning System. used for satellite navigation. Can you think of any other common acronyms and their meanings? Answer: encourage brainstorming and discussion on other well-known acronyms. What is the most widely spoken language in the world, considering both native and non-native speakers? Answer: English. What is the difference between a dialect and an accent? Answer: a dialect is a regional variation of a language with its own grammar and vocabulary, while an accent is the way a person pronounces words. What is an example of a language isolate? A language with no known connection to other languages. Answer: Basque, spoken in northern Spain. What are some of the challenges and opportunities presented by advancements in artificial intelligence? Answer: open-ended discussion about the impact of AI on society. What is the current state of global food security and what are some of the factors contributing to hunger? Answer: open-ended discussion about a pressing global issue. What are some of the ongoing efforts to promote peace and diplomacy in conflict zones around the world? Answer: open-ended discussion about international relations and peacekeeping initiatives. What are the four main blood types in the human ABO system? Answer: A, B, AB and O. Thank you for watching.